Let's go and see the restaurant. Vino Chile. Ah, nice little place. Look at this. Casa de... Oh, Los Casa. Nice. Fantastic. Beautiful. Hola. Bueno. Wow. Here we go. That's my fourth. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Clay. Look at this. Wonderful. Typical Chilean food. You can't ask for more, can you? Huh? You can't ask for more with the fireplace and the corn cake. Time to have my corn cake. Magic. Magic. It's got the chicken. It's got the corn. Oh, ho, ho. Somehow managed to get my corn cake. What do you say? Tasty? Beautiful. The chef, thanks to the ground, earth, corn. Gratitude for the people who looked after the chicken and so on. The olives in there, the eggs. Beautiful.